Hello friends, in this video I am going to install CodeIgniter 4 using Composer. In the previous video I already explained how to install CodeIgniter manually. Today in this video I will explain how to install CodeIgniter to Composer, and this way is most recommended way because Composer automatically installs required plugins or packages. So let's start. Open command line on your computer. See, like this way. I'm going to open the command prompt now and type the following command and go to the folder in which you want to install the application. Like suppose I'm going to use my WAMP server folder www. I will copy the path from there like this way and type cd space this path, and we are now entered in the folder www. Now we simply type the command composer space create project CodeIgniter 4 slash app starter space. Here the name of the project, like my first app application. Now we enter. Now the system is automatically installing the CodeIgniter 4. We have nothing to do or worry about it. This will create a new folder, my first app, which contains our application code. Let's check it. This was my folder, and here my first step. This is automatically installed. You can see the project files here, and in there is a vendor folder also. Pointer will be installed in this folder. Now second point, we can set our development mode. By default, Pointer starts up in production mode. To keep the site more secure, we will copy env to .env and uncomment this. Simply copy this and paste. Rename first to type the thing we should convert into text file. Simply we change and comment the CI environment and write it as development and save it again. Now we have saved it. Now rename it to .env file in this way. This file contains the server specific settings. Now we need to run our development server. Now we want to view our application in the browser. So again we simply go to the my first app folder, cd my first app in this way. Now we simply run this command php spark server, php spark server. First of all, before starting the server, I will show you how it is working. Like suppose if you type local host, the site is not working right now. So when we run this command php spark server, our development server will start. Server not, sorry, what happened? Oh, php spark server, sorry, php spark serve. Now development server has started. We refresh this page, our pointer 4 is working on the browser in this way. So now we are able to see our welcome screen. This means our project is working and we can start making changes to it. Composer provides now how why we are using Composer. Composer, what are the benefits of the Composer? So Composer provides a ESR4 auto loading, which no need to manually include files. We can easily auto load our own class or third party libraries. These are the benefits. And Composer standardizes our project structure so that it makes our project easier to understand for other developers. With Composer, updating CodeIgniter becomes simple. Single command keeps CodeIgniter up to date. There are many more benefits installing via Composer. So I think we have to close our project, video. I think it will be very helpful for you or for our beginners who wanted to start their career or learning on CodeIgniter. Thank you.